Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon ay maglalaro tayo kasama ang dalawang magagaling. Ang gagamitin pala natin si Ciliumord dahil nakakapagod maglakad. Sana manood kayo hanggang sa uli. By the way guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kailangan ko ng suporta sa inyo kahit hindi ako sikat, kaya't papakitaan ko kayo ng kabayo ni Vice Ganda.
Standing side by side, memories fade, the legends never die. One last time, let's live for something.
Aba, pumapalag pa, gusto mo bang makita si San Pedro Aldes?
This ain't goodbye, we'll be back someday, and we will find our own way, take control of our fate.
At pumalag na nga, napitas ka tuloy, haha.
With no brakes, crash and learn, make mistakes, and we'll be
Muntikan pa akong mapitas ni Daddy Aldes, haha.
we'll be back one day.
Ngayon dahil hindi mo ko napatay, ikaw ang kakatayin ko. Hindi mo ba alam na kabayo to ni Vice Ganda?
I don't ever really wanna hold back. I got dreams wanna go fast. Know this energy's here to last. Not a glass half full or floated. Gotta keep your eyes up on the prize. Only got one life, so it's worth a try.
Hindi ka ba nagsasawa sa ginagawa mo, Daddy Aldes?
Right on. And now we're all doing our own thing, but I'll never forget our glory days. My mind is full of the memories, yeah. And I'll never forget.
Ay magaling na dali din ako, grabe ka talaga.
To celebrate our glory.
Ngayon ay makikita nyo na nagpapakitang gila si Uncle Bane. Pero useless lang ito dahil ang kalaban niya si Vice Ganda, kaya't balik ka sa base nyo. At dumating rin si Pop-Up Idol.
We'll be back one day.
Ay bakit ka nagtatago, Daddy Aldes? Ang tigas muna. Nagtawag pa ng kasama si Pop-Up Doll pala ito.
Although it's over now, don't let it get you down.
Hinalas lang dahil si Pop-Up Doll lang ang napitas, ang tigas na kasi ni Daddy Aldes.
Now we can feel some sorrow. A new day is lost tomorrow. We'll wake up, new dreams to follow. A new goal and bring our motto. One last
At nag-clear na nga sa mid si Daddy Aldes, mapipitas ka ngayon.
feel my blood, it's rushing. This ain't goodbye. We'll be back someday, and we will find our own way.
Run, Daddy run, at yun na nga, hindi nakatakas si Daddy Aldes kasi malakas ang kabayo ni Vice Ganda. At yun na nga, napitas tayo kasi ang bobo natin nagpa-preheat ba naman sa tower, akala mo si Hulk eh. At dito maki-KS pa natin, KS Gods, ako eh, haha. At napansin ko na nagsama silang Daddy at Pop-Up Idol, medyo matigas na rin sila. Pero wala itong obra dahil si Vice Ganda ito, double kill tuloy kayo, haha. Pumalik pa rin silang dalawa. O hindi ba kayo nagsasawa, ha?
We'll be back one day.
Your fate is sealed. To me,
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us see our letting go. You won't be alone when you start to fall. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. Even when we fall, we rise up and we find the path that we believe in.
At hanggang dito na lang tayo, salamat sa panonood. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel guys, thank you for watching.
From